So in this video, we're gonna try to extract uh, extract text from the content of the uploaded file. So try nating mag-upload ng ayun, nag-fill up na ako. So, try natin mag-upload ng document or PDF na may picture siya, and then yung system is i-extract niya yung text from the picture, and tignan natin kung madedetect niya or may makikita siyang content na plagiarized dun sa image na yun. So, this one, click natin. So yun, may detect siyang plagiarism match. Ito yung yung content ng file. So, research instrument, and hindi ko siya maano since picture siya, and then kapag ito yung beanie, yan. Pwede ko siya ma-select. Ayan, maano ko siya. And then, ito rin, hindi ko maano. And ito yung nakita niyang plagiarism content, 99.5. And ito yung nakuha. So, yung beanie, and then ito yung nakuhang content na plagiarized. And then, puntahan natin yung na-plagiarized na ito yung laman na plagiarized. So, yung picture din siya na-extract din. Yun. Ayun. So, yun. Nalaman natin na may nakapag extract